was 2002 Commonwealth Games, and my elbow snapped. So since then, I haven't looked it out.
Oh no, and that was kind of the end of the weightlifting career, eh?
Yeah, it was, yeah. So a little bit of this now, which is good.
Good on you, man. Very impressive. All right, well then, guys, you've taken the lead there. So our lads from Scotstoun. And next up, I like it. They're looking cool in the shades as well, just in case it gets bright and sunny. Where are they from? Ayrshire. Oh yeah. Number 2. Look at this guy with a big chest here. Awesome power. He's got an axe murderer's chest. Number 6. This is impressive. That's it. Get it up again. Good stuff. Number 8. Here's number 9. It helps that they're both similar height. 10 reps, double figures. Scotstoun are sweating. Uh-oh. The big lad's starting to waver a little bit. 11 reps. Do you want to see more? Oh yes. There's 12. Pressure's on. One more for the lead. Hey!